Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. This is the third video of our Banking Awareness Series 2018, and in this video we are going to discuss 11,400 crore Punjab National Bank fraud which has just surfaced. Okay, this is one of the biggest fraud in the history of whole Indian banking. And why is it important for upcoming banking exams 2018? We'll discuss because we have come across some important concepts, some important terminology, some important terms which we'll discuss and which are important from the point of view of upcoming exams. Okay, so let's begin with some of the general awareness about Punjab National Bank. The present MD and CEO of PNB is Mr. Sunil Mehta. Punjab National Bank headquarters are in New Delhi. This you should know. Founder Sardar Dayal Singh Majithia. He was a freedom fighter in Indian national freedom struggle. The bank was founded in 1894. Okay, so 123 years old bank, very old bank. So this bank PNB is till 2 days back, 3 days back, it was second largest Indian PSB by market capitalization. Now the shares have dropped, the prices have been dropped drastically, so it has dropped to third place. BOB, Bank of Baroda, has replaced the second place. PNB was already grappling with the problem of mounting NPAs like all other public sector banks. Increasing of NPAs was a problem. Now what the present case is all about? The present case is about the whole story began when one particular diamond firm or diamond company, it approached the bank for opening letter of credit. Now why letter of credit? See, the diamond company, say D, it approached the bank PNB and said that I want to buy some pearls, some raw stones, some rough stones from the suppliers who are in foreign country, who are foreign suppliers, so give me the money. Okay, so what happened was that the employees were in connivance with the diamond company. They issued letter of undertaking which we are going to discuss just now. Okay, so letter of credit or buyer's credit is the whole process. Just like giving loans in international trade, a letter or guarantee from buyer's bank, in this case the diamond company bank, to pay seller's bank. Seller is the suppliers. Here the bank in question would pay overseas suppliers on behalf of the buyer within a certain period. Okay, so bank is giving, PNB is giving guarantee to the suppliers that I will pay to you, okay, upon receipt of the pearls. That's it. So bank, it issued letter of undertaking, right? Letter of undertaking. Letter of undertaking is an agreement or contract between two parties that outline specific works, specific activities. So this is a general definition. Here LOU means guarantee of bank to pay the supplier on behalf of buyer, that I will pay you on behalf of buyer. Now those employees, the involved employees, what they did, they issued letter of undertaking without recording them in the bank's CBS. So nobody came to know that this transaction was happening because core banking system, it was not recorded, right? So LOUs, they were meant for foreign branches, the country of supplier to other banks. So what happened? Now the diamond merchant went to PNB. PNB has issued letter of undertaking. Okay, now this letter of undertaking, LOU, it says or it asks foreign branches of Indian banks, foreign branches of Indian banks in the supplier's country, okay, to issue loans in dollar terms or in the terms of foreign currency to PNB's account in that country. Okay, PNB also has account in that country, so this account is called Nostro account. Nostro account. The foreign currency loans in this case were transferred to PNB's Nostro account. What is Nostro account? A bank account held by an Indian bank with a foreign bank, usually in terms of foreign currency. So this term is very important. Now we have letter of credit, okay, or buyer's credit, then letter of undertaking, and now nostro account. Okay, so you should know the definition of nostro account. This is important from our point of view. Now, okay, now the PNB's account in the foreign country is filled up with the money, with the required money. So this nostro account, it was used to pay the suppliers account. Now through this nostro account, suppliers account have been filled, or the money has reached to supplier account. We do not know who the supplier is or if the transaction really happened. That's where the fraud is. Okay, so these transactions were taken place through SWIFT network of international communication. Now you should know what is SWIFT. So we have discussed letter of credit, letter of understanding, nostro account, and SWIFT is the fourth important term which you should know. SWIFT, the full form of SWIFT you should know: Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Okay, and SWIFT provides a network of financial communication among banks or among its partner organization, financial institutions which are based in different countries. So it provides international communication, financial communication between its member entities. Okay, it enables financial institutions worldwide to send and receive information about financial transactions, and this SWIFT communication takes place through BICs, business identifier codes are used. Okay, so this is important. BICs are important. These are popularly known as SWIFT code. So SWIFT network, it transports financial messages in a highly secure way. Okay, so SWIFT does not facilitate funds transfer. Funds का transfer facilitate नहीं करता. Rather, it sends payment orders. Okay, it is only the mode of communication. Then when the buyer's bank and seller's bank, they know the information, they have got the communication, then the buyer's bank, it transfer the amount to seller's bank. That's it. But it depends on SWIFT, unlike the transaction in the same country. Okay, now you should know something about SWIFT. Is a cooperative society and the headquarters in La Hulpe, Belgium, near Brussels. Okay, so banks have a centralized banking system or a core banking system. Here the transactions were not recorded in bank's database or bank's core banking system. That's why the bank's management did not come to know that this was happening, and these transactions happened multiple times in connivance of bank employees through SWIFT, and since it is highly secure, nobody came to know about it, and this was not recorded, which should have been recorded in a normal case. Okay, now the case has been filed, FIR has been filed in CBI, and CBI has filed a case, or ED, Enforcement Directorate, has filed a case in PMLA, Prevention of Money Laundering Act. The culprit Nirav Modi and his family has fled the country. Okay, and the investigations are going on. So this is the whole case in simple terms, and the terms which we have discussed like SWIFT and all, they're very important core banking system, and they are expected to come in upcoming banking exams. For now, thank you.